and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So today's video, we've got an unboxing of one of the Plouise Trick or Treat mystery bags. I actually got the small one, so this was £20 and you get £40 worth of products because it's like a double up. So there's a £20 one, which is a small one. The medium one was £40, so you would have got £80 worth of products. And then the large one, I believe, was £60 and you would have got over £120 worth of products, something like that. Yeah, I chose a small one and I kind of wish I got the medium or the large, well, mainly the medium because I already know what was in the large one and I've got a lot of those products, but the medium one seemed really good and you still got exclusive products. Each of these you got exclusive products in, but the small one you only had one. The medium, I feel like there was quite a few, and then the large one was obviously a lot more. But yeah, it came in a big box for a small one. I don't get why it came in this big box, but yeah, because look, inside is that. So the first thing I got was one of the mini love tape palettes. So this is the date night one, which I used to have because when these first came out, I got the bundle of 3, and I actually sold it on because I didn't like this colour story compared to the others. But I think I'm just going to whack this onto Depop because, like I said, I didn't really use it before, so that's why I just sold it. So I am just going to open it up, but it's still got the protective sleeving, and this is what the shades are. So it's like these khaki shades and the red. I don't know why, I just don't like these shades together in a palette, and if I don't like the shades in the palette, like the way that they're combined, then I won't use it. So yeah, I'm probably going to sell this on, so I think I'm going to add this onto my Depop. So if you're looking to buy it, then I'll link my Depop down below and I'll do you a good deal. Yeah, that's the first thing, and that usually retails for £17. And then the other stuff was in this little cute gift bag, and look at that, it's so cute. It's very Plouise but very on trend. And then open it up. So the first thing we got is a pretty and pink coloured base. Again, I've already got this, so I will be putting this onto Depop, and yeah, it's a beautiful pink shade. Let me just get my one out. So that's what it looks like. It's a really cute pink shade, and that would be nice as a blush as well for probably a little bit more deeper skin tones than me, but I'm sure if I share it out then it will still work for myself. But yeah, it's a really nice shade. And I don't think it's that old either, that shade. Yeah, look, blending it out, it's like turns into a really nice pink blush shade. So this is the exclusive product, and it's one of the Plouise paints, and it's in Exotic Apple. So this is what it looks like. I'm still on the fence about this shade. I haven't opened it yet because I don't know whether to sell it on or not. I've already got Limelight, I've already got Sweet and Sour, and I've already got Must Be the Money, and I think that these are quite similar. So here's Must Be the Money and here's Exotic Apple. So it looks like Exotic Apple is a little bit brighter, but just a touch, and that's what I mean. That's why I feel like it's too much of a similar shade to Must Be the Money, because if I want Must Be the Money to brighten up, then I could potentially mix it with Limelight. So yeah, I think I will again sell this on. So yeah, but I don't think it was set in stone as to what base and what paint that you actually received in the palette. I think it was just like a lucky dip basically. And then you also got a scratch card, which I scratched, and unfortunately I didn't win anything, but you could potentially win either a £250 Plouise voucher, a free online course, a free one-to-one lesson, or a £500 Plouise voucher, which would have been sick if I did win that. But yeah, whoever won it would be very lucky indeed. And that's it. So a quick video, but that's what I got out of the mystery bag. So it's really good if you didn't already have these products, but 2 out of 3 I already had, then the third one I'm not really asked about. So yeah, probably a waste of money for me, but I am going to just sell these on, I think, or put something in my giveaway, I'm not too sure yet. And yeah, so again, I'll link my Depop down below in case there's anything here you want to buy for a bargain. And yeah, that's the end of my video. Let me know what you thought about these mystery boxes. Did you get one yourself? And if so, let me know what you got inside and what you thought of it. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Also, if you're wondering about this makeup look, this is for the Beauty Bay and Jade collab palette. 2 looks, 1 palette, obviously. It'll probably go up after this one, so if it's not already up, then it'll be up next. If it is already up, then I'll link it down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye!